Hello children, the topic that we are going to discuss today is minors and cofactors of elements of 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, and the next topic adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. So let us start. So firstly we are going to see minors, cofactors and adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix. So here I have taken matrix A. Okay, so before I show you how to find the minors, cofactors and adjoint, in general, okay, if you have a 2 by 2 matrix, in general, how do we write? This is how we write, yes? Clear? Where this denotes A11, here 1 denotes that element is at position 1 comma 1. That means it is in the first row and in the first column. Okay. So if you try to compare these two, okay, what is the value of A11 over here? Obviously 2. What is the value of A12? Then minus 4. Value of A21, that means minus 1. Value of A22, that means 3. Clear? Now, let's see how to write minors. So, here we have to, as the topic says, minors and cofactors of elements, means we need to write minors of each element. Okay, so let us start from the first row. Okay, so we will write minor of this 2, yes, but instead of writing this 2, okay, we'll write in general. Clear? So minor of A11, okay, because this element is at 1 comma 1 position, will be equal to capital M. Here M denotes minor, and then we got to write position, okay, because we are looking for minor of the element at position 1 comma 1. That's why M11. Clear? Now the value of this will be found by covering this column and this row. Why? Because we are looking for minor of this A11. Yes, means we are looking for minor of 2. Okay, and this is at position 1 comma 1. So we got to cover the first row and first column. Clear? And whatever we are left with, that would be the minor. Clear? So here when we will cover this column and this row, we are left with 3. So minor of this 2 is 3. Okay. Now next, minor of A12, that means minor of minus 4. That would be denoted as this. So for that you got to cover the first row and the second column. So first row and the second column, you are left with minus 1. So minus 1. Next, minor of A21. Okay, A21 means minor of this element. Clear? So that means I need to cover the second row and the first column. Clear? And minor will be M21. So after covering the first column and the second row, you get minus 4. Then minor of A22, that would be M22. So you got to cover the second row, second column. Done. You are left with 2. So there you go. This is how we find the minor. Now next, cofactors. So once we have found the minors, okay, cofactors will be easy for you. Okay. Now cofactor of A11 will be denoted as capital A11. Okay, here 11 position, because we are looking for cofactor of the this element. Okay, and this is equal to minus 1 to the power sum of this. Okay, so here 1 plus 1 into minor of this element. So here minus 1 to the power 2. Okay, so you'll get plus 1. Clear? So and then you're left with, and that you have already found, that is 3. Clear? Next, cofactor of A12, that means 1 2 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 into m1 2 minus 1 to the power 3 will be negative. Yes, we'll get minus 1. That means here we'll get negative. That would be equal to here minus m12. M12 is minus 1. Yes. So minus minus. So this one 1. Yes. Next, cofactor of this. So here again minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, that means 3, minus 1 to the power 3 will be minus. Okay. So minus, here we have got minus 4. So this will be minus into minus 4. That would be simply 4. And then cofactor of a22, that means a22 minus 1 to the power this. Okay. Here minus 1 to the power 4, that means positive. So you will get, so simply you got to copy this. So here you get this. So this is how we find the cofactors. So we are done with minus, we are done with minus, we are done with cofactors. Now next is adjoint. Okay. So adjoint of A is written as this. ADJ A. Adjoint A. And mathematically this is equal to clear? Okay. So by now you must have understood that if you have to find adjoint of A, then you have to know the cofactors, or you have to find the cofactors. So in this case already we have found the cofactors. So simply substitute. So A11 means 3, A12 means here is 1, A21 we have 4, and A22 we have this, and then transpose. So transpose of this matrix will be the matrix which we'll get after interchanging the rows and the columns. So here we'll get 3 1 4 2. Okay. So this is all about the minus cofactors adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Now we would see the minus and cofactors of elements of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, and that we would see in the next video. Clear?